How to manage app permissions on Android. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage app permissions. If you've ever felt like some apps just ask for too much access, this one's for you. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. That little gear icon, tap on it. Now scroll down and look for applications and notifications, or just apps, depending on your model. Once you're in there, tap on App Management. Here, you'll see a full list of all the apps installed on your phone. Choose any app you want to check. Let's say you pick one, tap on it, then tap on Permissions. Now you can see exactly what that app is allowed to access, like your camera, location, contacts, and more. If something feels off, you can change it right there. You'll usually have three options: allow, deny, or allow only while using the app. And here's a pro tip. Review your permissions regularly. Sometimes apps ask for things they don't actually need, so it's always smart to double-check. That's it. You've just taken control of your privacy like a pro. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.